Well, unfortunately, winter came. It's middle of November, so you can't expect it. We got kind of spoiled last year, and we kind of let things go a little longer this year. Went to go move this thing today. Got the last few times I started, something was going amiss on it. And I'm like, worry about it in the springtime. Went to go move it, and it just click, 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 and the starter just went a little bit. Thought, maybe battery was dead. Tried another good battery. It didn't go. So starter's got to come out today because I'd rather have this thing so it is movable. So it's not too bad. It's only about 20 above it right now, so it's not too bad. Me and Corey spent most of the day moving snow. We had probably past couple days, not quite a foot, but under a foot of snow, and it blew and bad. Drifts are up to our hips and that. So you can pan around here and see all the snow and shit we moved out of here already. Try to get this there.
Yeah.
There, buddy. Right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. He's been hanging around the past few days.
Yeah, there's a couple of them around here.
Yeah, about over a foot of snow anyway in spots. But...
So yeah, so we'll. I'm gonna go put a set of ski pants on rather than playing musical vehicles. Hell, I'll just do it outside here. It's not that hard. It's just 2 bolts, 2 wires. I did one of my Jimmy on Wednesday or Thursday, whatever the hell day was. That was a nightmare. Those 4x4 Jimmys in there. It's like literally playing Tetris getting the things out. This one just drops straight down.
Alright,
I'm gonna go change my pants, put a shitty jacket on, and I'll lie underneath this thing, get it changed. Yeah. Come on. Just to show what the wind was like, we had probably 50-mile-an-hour winds, like gusting that. Look at how much the snow got in here. The hood was closed on this. It got through just the little hole where the intercooler goes through and the little hole where the air cleaner went through. And it's just unreal, that wind, and it kept on for hours and hours and hours. It just didn't stop. So we got this kind of half-ass blown out here, and then get her jacked up and get the starter changed. Too bloody lazy to go get cardboard or anything else. Just lay underneath here.
there's a sheet of plywood, but it's on the other side.
Yeah.
I was going to flip it over for you, but I got piss on it.
That's okay. I'd be get underneath there and not see Corey, but at least it's easy to get to.
Hopefully that's the problem.
Well, like I said, it's been going for a while. So like I said, I was just hoping to honestly deal with this in the spring. But procrastination, sometimes my middle name.
Ugh. Ugh. Yuck. At least one plus, no, with all the snow, it hides all the crap.
Yep.
Yep. Do you need, what size are the 2 small terminal bolts?
I can get with a 13 mil on here, the big one, and then the small one is I think 10. But let me get the big one off first.
All right.
We get the there's no battery in this right now, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Did you want one of the charge one of the other battery? Oh, actually, we can try that other battery.
The one that was in here should be okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, luckily it only took a couple of minutes. It's only the 2 bolts underneath, and then the 2 bolts of the solenoid. So there's the culprit there. Got the heat shield on it. I'll put it back on, even though the manifolds are flipped upside down on this thing. But I mean, we'll do it anyways. Give the solenoid a fighting
Oh, especially that only takes 2 seconds to switch over.
It's a Sunday. I said piss on it. Weather's good. I spent a lot of money on this start. I could have probably got it for Rock Auto for $100 cheaper. But whatever.
And put your clip on and...
Yeah, it went this way. Okay, I guess it kind of clips in there, I guess. Do it go this way.
I'd say... Yeah, it goes that way.
Goes that way, it protects your wires. Okay.
Could always rewind the footage and see. But...
Yeah, I don't care that much. This should be okay.
Alrighty.
So yeah, it's just one 10 mil here, one 13 mil here.
And stupid question, the wire's going to. Nothing was burnt or frayed or
No,
nothing?
everything looked good.
Alright.
It should be warm enough. It shouldn't need a block heater down. It's a 2002 like 4.8 liter. Should fire up when it's only like 20, 25 above.
Okay, install it.
I told Corey I should put a block heater on this thing because the provisions is there. He laughed at me when I said that.
Just put the goddamn starter in. My feet are wet.
Well, if you wear, see, I wear rubber boots here, folks.
My shoes got holes in them.
Well, that's why I wear rubber boots.
Well, I'm gonna get new shoes tomorrow.
Well, that's a good idea, but that's why I wear rubber boots. Then I don't got to worry about it. Proper planning prevents poor performance.
Yeah, that's not our motto.
No, that is not. Talk to Christopher about that. Well, I did give it just a quick bump. It was the starter, just wings over. I didn't want to, it didn't wind that fast. It's cold, but not that cold. So anyways, one of Corey's buddies had dropped some shit off the other day there, and just happened to be a Timbro block heater cord. So put that in, you can see we got a block heater cord on it now. So I'll let it sit. I don't know if I might just even try this tomorrow. I don't know. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, so I might just try it tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure I hear a buzz in there. So yeah, so let this thing get warmed up, and hopefully it fires up. If not, well, I'll have to push it back to my place, I guess. But
And worry about in the springtime.
that's about it. So, but at least that was the starter, was the issue. Like I said, put it in and it cranked right over. So, but I said I'm not going to sit there and, especially with the injectors it has, it's probably going to be too hard to flood this thing. So I don't want to, don't want that to happen. Back in the day when we flood these things in the wintertime, then you got to pull the plugs out, blow them out, put them back in, and I don't feel like doing that. No. So, well, yeah. So that's it's going to be a short video on this one, but yeah. So at least we changed the starter on it, and supposed to be going away for the winter, but not quite yet. I was actually hoping to kind of ran today. We were going to probably take it out for a boot, but
Maybe tomorrow.
maybe tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for now. Well, it's warmed up to 30, 31 degrees, depending on how you want to look at that. It's actually not too bad out. We're going to go, Kevin's there. We're going to go take 55 out for one last little boot. It's still registered. I keep registered throughout the year because it's cheap enough up here. And then we'll park her. Like I said, it's plugged in, so it should hopefully fire right up. Corey had it running last night, so it was a little colder yesterday. He did not put the snowblower away, as you can see. It's still there. But yeah, there's the block heater cord. I probably won't leave that in here, but at least help to get it going. Hopefully it'll fire up. You want to take the phone there, Kevin? I hope it'll fire right up. I didn't even look to see all the snow melt. You should see the snow underneath the hood of this thing. He went that run for a couple minutes so they were going to watch it out because it just packed the snow. And it comes through here, and here's that wind was brutal on Thursday night too. Yeah. I'll take it out for a test drive. Make sure the new starter works. Keep in mind, I got only regular tires on this thing right now. As you can see, there's ice on the roads. They haven't even salted and or sanded yet. That's what I'm not afraid to drive, because at least they didn't salt the roads or nothing. They'll probably put sand on today, I'm assuming. The only difference is it's actually classified as a highway, so they might salt this one, but I don't see anything on it yet. The rest of the roads in town, they will eventually, but let's see if it will. Wouldn't want to do an emergency stop. Tyler, I could probably spool the baloney's pretty good right now.
Oh shit, we're in a lot of snowbank.
I'm thinking the Simpsons right now. I need tire chains right now. Outside, I pop in and see Gerald. Headlight, local idiot takes car out. I got lots of time. As long as I don't go straight into the yellow poles there.
There's the penitentiary.
Fun fact about this road here, a couple of times my bus usually went the other way, but sometimes it comes this way. slide back down. I'm a little worried right now. I think we'll be okay. We'll get enough speed going up here. You ever on the bus that came down here?
No.
Then maybe with Corey and Davey on Fortney's.
We're 3 minutes.
They'll just be up there. We'll go make it up the hill. Starting to spin.
There you go.
And of course I got a truck behind me. It's like, come on, stay straight. And we just about made the crest of the hill here, and I got a truck coming up fairly fast on my ass. So. At least it's a school zone here, so now I can say it's only, it's only 30, so. Yeah, I think this will be about it for Adventure Horizon for today.
See you soon.
Well, we made it home. The hill was a little bit fun getting up, but yeah, that's it for this year. So I think that this winter I might drag it into maybe my garage or Corey's garage, change the heater core in it because it's, I think it's that little valve before the heater core, it doesn't work. It actually is leaking. You can smell antifreeze when you're driving it. And there's a few other little things I want to fix on it, but it's, by and large, I'll drive her again next year. Bye for now. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Kevin says go for it.